Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a square motif and I hope to admire you. I will use macrame thin yarn and hook number 3.5 mm as shown now. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as shown now. Then make 8 chains. And close them with slip stitch to make a ring. Then make 4 chains. And make double crochet into the ring. And make a chain. Repeat that groups 11 times. I mean with groups double crochet and the chain. That is group, I mean it. I will repeat the group 11 times into that ring, then close with a slip stitch at the end of that row to finish it. Then I will start round 2. I will make 3 chains as shown now. Then make 2 double crochet into next space. I will make 2 double crochet together as shown now. Then make 3 chains. And make 3 double crochet together into next space as shown now. Then make 3 chains again and make 3 double crochet together into next space again and repeat that 10 times as shown now. Into next spaces. Then I will make 3 chains at the end and close with slip stitch to end that row, to finish that row. Then I will start new round 3. I will skip next stitch and make slip stitch into the next, then make 10 chains as shown now, and make single crochet into second chain of chains space as shown now. Then make 5 chains and make single crochet into second chain of space of next space as shown now. And make 5 chains again, then make single crochet again into second chain of chain space as shown now. Then make 7 chains and make single crochet into second chain of space and make 5 chains, then make single crochet into second chain of chains space and make 5 chains and make single crochet into second chain of chains space as shown now. Then make 7 chains and make single crochet again into second chain of chain space and make 5 chains, then make single crochet into second chain space as shown now. Then make 5 chains again and make single crochet into second chain of chain space as shown now. Then make 7 chains and make single crochet into second chain of chain space and make 5 chains, then close with single crochet as shown now. I will start round 4. I will make 3 chains and make 6 double crochet into that space then make a chain and make 7 double crochet into same space as shown now. Then I will make single crochet into second chain of chains space as shown now of next space, then make 5 chains and make single crochet into second chain of next space as shown now. Then repeat again, making 7 double crochet into next space as shown now. And make a chain, then make 7 double crochet again into same space. Then make single crochet into second chain of next space as shown now, and make 5 chains again, and make single crochet into second chain of chains space as shown now. Then repeat with same sequences across that row for the left side of that motif. Then I will close with slip stitch as shown now and cut and fasten off. Now I finished that square and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please subscribe and share and like. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you immediately. Thanks again for watching.